Woodwork 101 is an online platform that provides personalized woodworking training and mentorship. The website caters to both beginners and experienced woodworkers seeking to enhance their skills or learn new techniques. The platform connects users with professional woodworkers who offer one-on-one guidance, helping them achieve their woodworking goals. Users can access a wide range of courses, tutorials, and projects tailored to their skill level and preferences. Some key features of Woodwork 101 include live video sessions, interactive lessons, and a supportive community where users can share their progress and learn from others. The website also offers a blog with woodworking tips, tools, and product reviews, as well as a resource section for finding woodworking plans and designs. In short, Woodwork 101 is an interactive learning platform via video presentations that empowers individuals to grow their woodworking skills through personalized instruction and a collaborative environment.